So hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Madhavan, and today we are gonna discuss about the covalent bond. And in the previous video, we have discussed introduction, briefing of the bondings, ionic bond, covalent bond, and coordinate bond. So firstly, we are understanding the covalent bond because ionic bond kind of you can say understandable easily, but the covalent bond is so complicated. So that's why we are discussing that first. Okay, so first of all, we have single covalent bond, then we have double covalent bond, then we have triple covalent bond, triple E. All right. So firstly, we take an example of what is a single covalent bond. For example, you can say you have to make H2, and for making the H2, you need H plus H. Okay. So as this statement, we put here H, we put here H. As you know that H contain only one electron in its valence shell and first shell, obviously. So we'll just put here one electron here, and we'll make a bond. Okay. So this is the what we say single covalent bond, obviously single covalent bond. Okay. Let's take another example like F2, and for F2 you have to make F plus F. Okay, and F is equal to 7 in its valence shell. Okay, so firstly we'll put here an F here and F here, a F, sorry. So remember a statement that whenever you write here the elements, so you have to divide the electrons one by one to each side. Like for example, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now then you have to start pair 1 2, like 4 5 6 4 5 6 7, like this. 1 2 3, and here as you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is how we divide the electrons first, then we start pairing, then we just make bond of this electron to this electron. This was a mistake, sorry. And so this is also called single covalent bond. Now let's take an example of double covalent bond, which can happen in O2. Okay, and O2 has 16, and its valence shell it has only 6 electrons. Okay, so firstly we'll put here O plus O. Okay, it's a statement. So firstly we'll put here O here and then O here, then we divide the electrons to each. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then we start pairing 1 2 1 2. So you can count here, it is total 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we'll make a bond like this. Now this is called double covalent bond. Okay, let's take in what we say, let's talk about the triple covalent bond, which can happen in N2. Okay, and for that you have to like make the N plus N bond, and the atomic mass of N is like not a atomic mass, but in the last valence shell it has only 5 electrons. Okay, so we'll just put here N plus N. Okay, then we obviously give the electron to each side, 1 2 3 4, then we start pairing 5, 1 2 3 4, then we start pairing 5. Okay, now for example, here as you can see there is only one paired electron and three non-paired electrons, so obviously they'll go with the non-paired electron. Okay, remember one thing, that covalent bond always happens between the non-metals. Okay, there shouldn't be any kind of what we say appearance of the metal elements, because it will not happen then. Okay, it was introduced by Lewis. Lewis was a scientist, and by his statements, like most of the chemistry were solved about the geometry, but he didn't give the geometry, as you can say. He didn't give the geometry, so yeah, he got rejected. But because of these things, because of what we say bonding and links, he was great about that. So this is how we did the what we say single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. In the next video we'll discuss about the what we call these. Okay, like for example it is called the sigma bond, and these both called the pi bond. We'll discuss in the next videos. And I hope you like the video. I hope you understand all the things. Thank you so much.